Hello everyone, happy Friday. I'm going to just make a quick video about how to do our Whodunnit activity. So you should have done the Venn diagram first. That is a quick refresher, and this is also going to be a review on our metals, nonmetals, and metalloids that we learned about this week. So we have 6 contestants on a reality TV show that were stunned to find their lowest scoring colleague was injured. This is going to be set up kind of like Clue. So you must figure out the crime. The question is who done it, and the how, the player, the last known whereabouts, and the method are left unaccounted for. So your mission is to find the facts. So in each slide there is going to be a clue that is going to help you eliminate your player, their last known whereabout, and the method. So you're slowly going to eliminate these down until you're left with just one of each remaining, and that is going to be your answer. So the 3 boxes left unchecked will reveal the crime. So for example, let's do our first one first. So which of the following elements is a metal? We look at all of ours. Is it nickel? Is it hydrogen? Is it boron? Is it neon? This is something that you could look up. You can Google if you need help. If it's something that you know, you take the yellow box and you stretch it over the correct answer. So if I believe it's nickel, I take my yellow box and I stretch it over the answer. So then we have our clue through our yellow. It says the injury was not done with chemical poisoning. So that is my clue. So now I go back up to my tracker and I can take one of these little movable X's, and I know it wasn't done by chemical poisoning. That's what my clue said. So I can move my X to that box. And now I have eliminated chemical poisoning as the potential method of the crime. So what you're going to do, you're going to work your way through all of these clues, eliminating as you go. And you're going to be left with, like I said, those 3 left. And you're going to write your sentence that includes the criminal, the location of the crime, and the type of injury in here. It's going to be the 3 boxes that you have left after completing all your clues. I hope that helps you. Good luck. Let me know if you need any help, and have a good Friday.